start shaking. Well, we're just unloading the last of the canola, and the combine is shaking, and so am I. I don't know why it's shaking so much. Oh, because he's got it idled down. Sean's just unloading, and he's in the dark. We're all in the dark here. We're just finishing up Harvest 2017. And Sean's just topping off the grain liner. Come on, focus. And it's full. So he's gonna go dump the rest in the truck that is sitting right there that we can't see. We had a little problem with the 9600. A pulley broke off. Well, it didn't really break off. It cracked on one side because the belt was hugging one side. So I just spot welded it and flipped it over. So the other guys are just right there, Dad and my brother. My brother Trevor is combining today. Laurie's gone. Yeah, this canola is very tough. The straw isn't even chopping from the straw choppers very well. This is coming out just like kind of like last year when we were doing it really tough. Just doesn't want to chop it because it's so damp. But there's rain and snow coming in the forecast, I guess, for tonight. Yeah, you read that too? Yeah. I saw a few snowflakes. I saw some snowflakes when I turned the lights on, so I'm glad we're done. But I still don't want it to rain because we got so much other stuff to do yet. Spreading manure, that'd be something to get done if it doesn't rain too much. But yeah, so anyway, I got some drone footage. The John Deere was broke down while I was waiting for Sean to get some tools, so I flew the drone around, and yeah, so that'll be it for combining this year, which is good because it was way too late and we just don't have the weather anymore, and we don't even have the light anymore. As soon as you start, when the frost comes off, what's Dad doing? By the time the frost comes off, it's we don't have that much daylight anymore. Anyway, I gotta go see what Dad's doing there. Alright, hey everybody. So continuing on with this video, last night we were combining the last of the canola, the last of harvest. It kind of got too dark to film there, but I did get some drone shots on there, which you'll see probably just before this. We had the 1TR here break down. Right, there's probably about 4 swaths left, and this combine the alternator went out, I believe, because the lights went really dim and we couldn't lift the header because you need electricity to lift the header. It has to be, it was working perfectly, so gotta be a bad alternator. So I've got 2 spare, but you know, not in a big rush to put them on now. As I was talking to Travis earlier today on not how farms work, the rest of the story, he was doing a live stream. I was having dinner and I caught a few minutes of his live stream there. Yeah, I had mentioned that we were up 3 combines to the last minute and down to 1. And where did Sean park the John Deere? The 9600 broke down too. I had a bad idler pulley, and I just took it home and welded it. It kind of wore the pulley out on the side, and I just took it home, spot welded it with the MIG, put some little pieces of metal to stiffen it up, and I thought maybe it would last for the next hour or so, and it probably made it 40 minutes before it buggered again. Okay, there it is. I'll go see. It's just over there. Yeah, okay, so it broke the belt, which I think it got caught on there because it looks ripped. Yeah. This was the pulley right here. You can see where I welded it, and I actually flipped it around. It was on this side before. It just wore the pulley out so much on this side that you can tell. Focus. And kind of bent there. Yeah, I just it was riding to one side, it seems, so gonna have to fix that to get a new belt put on here. I don't even know where it goes. It goes up to the grain elevator, I believe. I believe it's this one. Right, Sean? It kind of just shredded that belt. So yeah, anyway. That's the last of my worries right now, right, Sean? Yeah, because we're done. We're finished. So, time to dry that canola that we combined. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. And we'll talk to you all later.